Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal centerpiece. So what you're going to need, you'll need some of these crystal teardrop pendants. These are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some rhinestone buckles. And these buckles are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now, what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these fishbowl candle holders or a fishbowl vase. You'll need one of these glass candle holder plates, and I think these are for pillar candles. You'll need a glass tea light holder. You'll need 2 of these. They come in a pack of 2. And from Walmart, I have some of these large peel and stick gemstones. And I also have from Walmart some of these small peel and stick gemstones. These can be found at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. For my project, I'll be using hot glue. But if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that you need in order to complete this beautiful centerpiece, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this crystal centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And it was so easy to make. This piece is super versatile. You could use this as a centerpiece, a candle centerpiece, a candy dish. There's just so many options. But let's go ahead and start decorating with that. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.